Hi guys, in this video, let me teach you on how you can turn off sensitive content setting on X or Twitter. Note that you can do this on your X app, so let's start by opening a browser on your device. Now search for Twitter or X.com and then log into your account. After that, click on your profile icon on the top left, select Settings and Privacy. In here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now tap Content You See option. Now here, click on the box beside the option, Display media that may contain sensitive content. Now tap on the search settings. And here, the hide sensitive content is enabled. Turn it off. Simply uncheck the box beside it to view graphics or posts with potential sensitive content or other content on your Twitter. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.